Hello, welcome to Deganwy Railway Station. Very dark Deganwy. Can't really see a lot, but there's lovely water here. Starting now is a service up to service to I believe it's waiting for the train down to Manchester, which is what I'm getting. It's my last sort of day here. On that train, you can see the Conway Castle really well from here. There's a 100-foot bridge here. A lot of level crossings here. There's also a lovely signal box. Platforms here are very long, considering getting trains really. There's a bus. Tram routes. No lights. Yeah, it's a lovely shelter here. Crossing. This train is now departing. Finally got green. I think means that my train's about to come in. Here's a car park. Deganwy Bars and Arrows. It's quite a big car park as well. It's quite a big station. Sort of like an overflow car park here as well. I don't know what that's about. Deganwy signal box looks really nice. Yeah, that's my train arrives. It's quite a short video, quite a bad video here really. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video here at Deganwy. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you very, very soon in the next video. Until then, bye-bye for now from me. Thank you for watching.
Croeso ar drên trafnidiaeth Cymru. Byddwn yn teithio i maes awyr Manceinion. Yn galw yn Deganwy, Cyffordd Llandudno, Bae Colwyn, Abergele a Phensarn, y Rhyl, Prestatyn, y Fflint, Shotton, Caer, Helsby, Frodsham, Dwyrain Runcorn, Warrington Bank Quay, Hillstown, Newton Le Willows, Manceinion Oxford Road, Manceinion Piccadilly, Dwyrain Didsbury, a maes awyr Manceinion. Byddwn yn teithio i maes awyr Manceinion.